Okay guys, welcome to our section on subject-verb agreement. This is really just a continuation of what we've done the past couple of days with our nouns and our verbs. We're just going to go a little more in depth on these. We're going to talk about interrupters an awful lot. Those are those prepositional phrases that come between our subject and our verb and confuse things. We want to get rid of those. So let's look at question 1. Your first question was one that asked you to choose the sentence that is written correctly. So let's look at each of these. Each one of the teachers were given an award. When you have an each or an each one, get rid of the intervening prepositional phrase because each is always going to be singular. Each one was given an award, not were. Think of it as, if you're looking for singular or plural, each one would be like saying she because you're looking at them individually. One was given an award. So this one is not correct. Either my brother's or my sister is driving me to the airport. Remember what I told you the other day when you have an or? Just scratch out everything before the or. My sister is driving me to the airport. Yep, that's correct. How about this one? Few of the students really understands the calculus problem. Few really understand the calculus problem. The decision of the lower courts were reversed by the appeals court. Get rid of that, of the lower courts. The decision was singular, okay? So, which one is correct? B. Our compound sentence with an or. Let's go to number 2. And forgive me for going fast, but there are a lot of them today, and YouTube does not like long videos. Okay. Choose the sentence that contains an error. One of the $10 bills was counterfeit. One was counterfeit. Correct. Look at me getting rid of that interrupter. This collection of stories is not very good. This collection is not very good. That one's correct. Okay, we're looking for an error, right? So forget that I circled that. The ability of these children surprises everyone. Correct. The effects of sunburn is sometimes quite harmful. No. The effects with an S on the end are sometimes quite harmful. So your correct answer was D. That's the one with an error. Our next one, number 3. Choose the correct word or word to complete the sentence. You see, here's what we're looking to complete. Blank is driving from Huntsville to Mobile. Can I say I is driving from Huntsville to Mobile? No, I would say I am driving. Can I say we is driving from Huntsville to Mobile? I would say we are driving. Can I say her sister is driving from Huntsville to Mobile? I sure can. Can I say her sisters is driving from Huntsville to Mobile? Nope, I would say her sisters are driving from Huntsville to Mobile. Okay, easy so far, huh? Number 4. Because here's where I think it gets a little more confusing. Choose a sentence in which the uppercase word is correct. Remember I told you yesterday, Edmodo won't let me underline, but on the grad exam, these will be underlined instead of uppercase, right? So you'll remember that. An ant and a wasp are insects. Okay, look at this and. These two work together. Would you say they? They are insects? You would. This one's correct. Chemicals used in industry, get rid of that, is sometimes harmful. No, you would say chemicals are sometimes harmful. Only a few people gets to see the actors backstage. Would you say only a few people? Is that more than one? It is, right? That's more than one person. So since it's more than one, figure it out by changing it to they. Would you say they gets to see the actors backstage? No. You would say they get to see the actors backstage. How about this one? Memories are the name of the poem I am reading. In this case, memories is the name of one poem, so it's the same as saying it. Would you say it are the name? No, you would say it is the name, right? Easy enough. So then let's go to, oops. Clear that. Let's go to the final 2. Oh, hang on. Try it here. There we go. Number 5. Same type of problem. Choose the sentence in which the uppercase word, in this case, is an error. We're paying close attention. And this one starts with the word there. There messes us up because there is never a subject. Our subject is right here. 24 chapters. So reverse it. Would you say 24 chapters are in the book? Yes, you would. It's correct. How about, he don't swim well enough to cross the lake? You would not say that. You would say, he doesn't swim well enough to cross the lake. This is our incorrect answer. Let's look at the other two then. 3/4 of the forest was burned by the fire. Okay, when you have a fraction is always singular because you're taking that 3/4 together as one. So that 3/4 is really an it. So you would say for this is your it. It was burned by the fire, which is correct. The safety factors in a helmet, get rid of that interrupter, are important in an accident. That one's correct. So we got the right answer. And now our last one, number 6. And number 6 says, choose the sentence in which the uppercase word is an error. So let's look at that. 7 times 3 is 21. This is a math problem. In a math problem, it's just like a fraction. It's thinking of one number, so even though it's got 7 times 3, this is singular. So that means you're thinking of it as like the word it. It is 21. Is that an error? No, that's correct. How about this? There are 4 books to read this summer. There's that troublesome there. Our subject is going to be the 4 books. 4 books are there to read this summer. Yep. She is one of those people who are always cheerful. That one's weird, and that one sounds weird, but I want you to look at it this way. You have to think of what does who refer to. And in this case, who refers to people. And would you say people are always cheerful? You would. So that one is correct. She is one of those people who are always cheerful. Because who does not refer to she, it refers to people. That one's tricky. 3/4 of the amount have to be paid next week. What did we just say about fractions? 3/4 of the amount has to be paid next week because we think of a fraction with the word it. It has to be paid next week. And that's it. That's all of your answers and all of your review for subject-verb agreement. See you tomorrow.